The Indian Coast Guard and Gujarat ATS seized over 300 kilograms of narcotics worth around 1,800 crores in a high-stakes night operation conducted on April 12 and 13 near the international maritime border. Union Home Minister Amit Shah lauded that effort, calling it a testament to the Modi government's relentless campaign to dismantle drug network and its whole of the government approach in building a drug-free Bharat. Big action by Gujarat ATS. 3,000 kilograms of drugs worth 1,800 crores has been seized by the officials. The back-to-back updates coming in right now. Republic TV, in a major crackdown, Indian Coast Guard and the Gujarat ATS seized a huge haul of narcotics. Those pictures coming in on your screen, worth around 1,800 crores in a high-stakes night operation conducted on April 12th at 13 near the international maritime border. Minister Amit Shah lauded the effort, calling it a testament to the Modi government's relentless campaign to dismantle drug networks and its whole of the government approach in building a drug-free Bharat. Let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now, Gopi. If you could take our viewers through these pictures, which we are seeing. 300 kilograms of drugs worth 1,800 crores has now been seized by the Gujarat ATS and the Coast Guard. Those pictures coming in, if you could take our viewers through latest coming in.
Well, look, Shivangi, what we are learning from our sources is that these were the smugglers who were coming from the Pakistan side, and they had almost crossed the international boundary line. But after looking at the ATS who were in fact inside the Arabian Sea, they saw this, and the smugglers dumped the entire amount of drugs which they were carrying into the Arabian Sea. Now, this was 190 kilometers away from Porbandar, which happens to be the port, one of the ports in Gujarat. Now, there are many such successful joint operations which have been done time and again. We have seen that even in last year, 2024, we have seen that in the month of February and April as well, the joint operation had been successfully carried out by the Gujarat ATS as well as the Coast Guards. So, this is a big victory for, in fact, the ATS as well as Coast Guard. Back to you.
All right, Soumya, this is a major crackdown on narcotics, and we have seen earlier as well where the Gujarat ATS has cracked down on narcotics and those who try to smuggle narcotics into the country. If you could take our viewers through the latest coming in, do we know that who is behind this smuggling of narcotics? There's a nexus and a network which works around the clock to smuggle narcotics and smuggle out narcotics from India.
Well, in fact, correctly pointed out by you, Shivangi, there is a nexus which what we are learning from our sources operates time and again. We have seen whenever these joint operations have been successful, even in the past, there has been involvement of smugglers coming from the Pakistan side. They have tried to flee the international border, and they have tried to, in fact, smuggle drugs from there to Gujarat. This is not the first operation. We have been telling our viewers that repeated such joint operations, successful joint operations, in fact, have been done by the Gujarat ATS as well as the Coast Guards. And this is not for the first time that the Pakistani handlers and smugglers are involved. Time and again, we have seen that drugs have been coming from that side of the border. And in fact, this particular operation was the tip to Gujarat ATS. They had got this tip, and they went 190 kilometers inside the sea from Porbandar, and that's when they got to see the Pakistani smugglers dumping entire amount of drugs which they were carrying in the Arabian Sea.